Kind of smells good. Cheers.
Welcome back to another video, and as you can see, we are still at our tower. We have to finish it. So in this video, hopefully, well, not hopefully, definitely we're not gonna split it again. We are gonna have the full front done. So we are done with the hardest part. That took us really long time, but I think it looks absolutely gorgeous and really nice and proper and not choppy. Well, all of those things will be covered. That's why we're not worrying, since we're gonna do a wood going down and having a triangle on the bottom. So yeah, let's get started and cover this thing up. Next mess is gonna be the top, but since we're not able to film much up there, we're not gonna show you too much, but let's get it all sealed and beautiful. Evie! Evie, what are you doing? Evie! What are you doing, Evie?
There's no end here, Evie.
Papas! She's like, what are we doing? Can we just go inside? So in case you're wondering why Evie's doing all these crazy things, is to get to our attention so she can go inside. Because we're trying to make her spend time outside so she can sleep at night. Evie! Stop doing stupidity. She's gonna fall.
Can you take this?
What are you doing? Backwards forward.
Too high? Princess Jasmine.
How perfect leftovers do we have that this one makes exactly 2 with no extra waste?
Now it's solid. Jesus. So we have finished both the sides. Now we have to get on with the middle. And this one's gonna be a lot easier, I think, since there we had a bit of a mess on the ends. And yeah, it's just two long woods, bottom and top, and then we're done with the front. So let's get on and finish this front up. The height good?
Yeah.
So we have this very small little gap here. It's pretty bothering, and I don't feel like just filling it in and having a small wood here, because we anyways gonna fill up the holes. So might as well, it's a lot of work now, but redo all of them and just move them all a tiny bit, so all of them have a bit of a gap. Right now I have them all against each other, so we'll just do them all with a gap, and then that should disappear.
Yeah, because anyways we're gonna add woods in the gaps.
Yeah, like this to cover it up. So
that's why it's
I
okay.
guess we gotta do that.
Yeah. Could have thought of it earlier, but we thought the gap is gonna be bigger. Like the ending one is gonna be at least like a bit more. So, and I don't know. I think it's gonna look stupid if we add something. Okay, let's redo that fast. So as you can see, we have finished the bottom, and that kind of finishes the bottom look, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. It does not feel like we did it, but I mean 5 years of pretty much daily working, we kind of are getting better and better at everything we do, and I think this is the most perfect project we have done, regardless its complications. And I don't know, I just love the way it looks. Now let's do the top, and that's kind of gonna be it with the really front, and then we just gotta mess around with the very top. But so far, let us know what you think in the comments, but I don't know, I love it. And why we're not just doing like the triangle?
Yeah,
instead of doing the line you have put there, you know, make it already on an... And then we just go across, yeah. Over. Let's think it through so it doesn't bite us in the boom again. Because I think we could do the triangle. So what are we doing? Because the way I thought we were gonna do it is just go like from smaller to bigger and then down again.
Yeah.
The final piece. Wow.
Big gaps.
That feels like adding the last piece on a very complicated puzzle. Just that the puzzle is real life huge.
So as you can see, we have finished. That's the final touch for the front. We still have the very tops to close up, but those we will do another day. We have another job that we're gonna get on with. This is fully sealed now. It was in theory sealed as soon as the wind barrier was on, but now it's kind of even more protected and looks absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna treat it as well with a stainer, so we're gonna stain it much darker. So we want to go for a dark tone with white accents. So it looks really good. It looks really professional. I feel like we have done a really good job this time. There's still a lot of work left, a lot of final patchwork to do. But we're gonna leave it for now, and we're gonna get on with a different project for now, on the same thing, but a different part. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I love it. Oh, so nice.